They all go.
It's not worms. Oh. You're warm. Dang, he like went alive.
Oh yeah.
That's some good shit.
Well, at least you had some.
Really warm.
Hey, record
Yeah.
the chicken.
That's having fun.
Yep. Oh yeah, I know I would. Oh yeah, right. Most likely.
He's gonna push her off.
Why are we recording this?
Also.
Yeah, I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna let Bob know. So tell me. Hey, you know it's for real.
Hurry up! Hurry up!
I'm not gonna hold this forever.
Come on! Uh-oh.
Really?
Right.
This is boring.
Huh?
This is boring.
No, waiting on Earl. Wait, it's done.
I will.
Hope you don't need to eat that.
Yeah.
Oh, why are you recording it then?
You too, Mom, and I'll
Yeah.
talk to you tomorrow.
That looks like the fried chicken.
I love you. Bye-bye.
It's like 2 minutes, almost 3 minutes of this.
And what's on this?
I don't believe it. I don't believe they're feeding the chicken.
Come on, guys! It's
Come on.
getting annoying.
Pack shit up.
We don't have all day or all night.
Yes, we are.
I got videos to post.
I might get over some food.
Man, I got macaroni and cheese things.
Give me your hat.
Here's the king.
Give me your hat. Eat with the chicken wraps with steak one.
Huh. You can stop it like that button right there. And then